Hey there, in this video I'll show you how to create a Vinted account step by step. I'll be using the mobile app, which gives you the best experience for listing and managing your sales. First, download the Vinted app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store, then open it up. When the app loads, you'll see a sign up button. Tap on that. The sign up screen will appear with a few different registration options. For this tutorial, we'll use email. Tap on the email option, and the form fields will appear. Now you'll need to enter your name and email address. Make sure you use an email you check regularly, since Vinted sends important notifications about sales and messages. Type in your name, then your email address below it. Next, create a strong password for your account. Enter it in the password field, and then you'll need to choose a username. This is how other users will identify you on the platform, so pick something simple and memorable. Type your username into the field. At this point, Vinted may ask you to verify your phone number. If the phone verification screen appears, enter your phone number with a plus sign and your country code, with no spaces. Tap Continue, and wait a few minutes for the verification code to reach your phone via text message. When the code arrives, enter it into the verification code field. Once you submit it, your account will be verified. If you accidentally enter the wrong phone number too many times, verification will be disabled for 2 hours, so double check before submitting. Now your account is set up and ready to use. Before you start browsing, it's worth adding a profile picture and bio. You can do this by going to Profile, then Settings, then Profile Details. A clear photo and a short bio help build trust with other users, and profiles with photos tend to get more sales than ones without. You can also add your sizing information for clothing and shoes in the profile settings. This helps Vinted personalize your feed to show you items that will actually fit you. One thing to keep in mind, your phone number can only be linked to one Vinted account, so you can't use the same number to create multiple accounts. And when you're ready to start buying or selling, you'll need to link a payment method and add your bank account details for payouts. For shipping, Vinted will ask for your address to generate postage labels, but they don't share your address with buyers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.